There's a Dundee service, class 170. 6 carriages coming into the sidings for the station, I'm pretty sure. Down there some HST First Great Western carriages. So here we've got a class 170 coming. This is from the Dundee Bridge. It's coming off of the Tay Bridge onto the lines for Dundee Station. It's just coming off now. And by the looks of things, that 170 and the carriage sidings, that might be getting ready to leave because it just put its lights on. Anyway, here comes this 170 coming in here. Okay, that 170 behind me is leaving. So there's a 170 behind me leaving as well. So I'll film this one and I'll try and get both in the video. So here's this one coming. 17411. And here we got this 170 coming. Coming out with the sidings. Don't know if it's going onto this track there that one just went on, or what. No, it's coming straight on. So here we've got 174.50 plus 170. $174.50. Okay, it's now accelerating. Off it goes along to Perth. 174.50. That 170 that is videoed is now coming back the other way. 174.50. It's coming back into Dundee train station, just in there. So here it comes up. It's 174.50. Yeah, so that's 174.50. So it's just moving sidings. Off goes a class 170 for the Dundee sidings. There's the green arrow, City Link. Rail replacement going my way.